Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video tutorial we have already worked on album part, and where we have started the activity for our details of albums, and that album details is like this, that we have already designed, and we have already fetched the all the files that were in respective albums. Now we will first play the songs that is in albums, and we will start the activity for playing the songs in player activity using holder.item view, and we have set the on click listener to this, and we have to start the intent for player activity. So we have passed the first argument as mcontext and the another argument as player activity dot class, and we have to also put some extras to identify from where the player activity has been started. So we have put extras, and also we have to put extra for position of the songs. And now we will start the activity using that intent that we have created above, and now we have to get these intent extras in player activity. So go to the get intent method first, and here we have to go. We have already written the codes for positions, and we have to now write the code for getting extras of sender, and here we have to pass the name that we have put extra from here, copy and just paste it here. And now we have to check if the sender is from album details activity. Sender is not equal to null first, and also we have to check if the sender is equal to album details that we have passed the value this album details. Copy this and just paste it here, and if it is true, then we will assign the list song with album files that is present in album details adapter. Here we have to first create it as static so we can import in our player activity. Now just we have to copy paste from the album details adapter, copy just, and here we have to paste it. Now press alt enter to import it here, and the below codes should have to go into the else conditions so that it can play from both of the fragments, that is from song fragment and album fragments. So now let's run the app and see if it is working correctly or not. As you can see, the app is running, and go to the album fragment. Here we have to click on any one of the albums to play, and you can see here in background there is a music playing, and when we will click on next button it will play the same song since there is only one song. You can see all the album files are playing correctly, and now we have to solve a bug that some of you commented that there are duplicate album files in album fragments, so we have solved it here. And for solving this, first of all we have to go to the main activity, and there we have to create an array list of album files that we will import into the songs fragment. So here we have to first create a list of music files, static array list music files, and name it as, let's say, albums equals new array list. And also we have to create an array list into our get all audio method to keep track that the music file that we have added into the albums array list is already there, so that we are creating a list of string, name it as duplicate new array list. Now at the end of while loop we have to add those album files, that is music files, into the albums array list that are not present into the duplicate array list, that is not duplicate dot contains album. You can see album is a string and albums is an array list. If this condition will hold, we will add those music files into the albums array list, and then we will have to update the duplicate array list, that is duplicate dot add that album. And now we have done everything in main activity. Now we have to go to the album fragment, and then we have to modify some codes. Go to the album fragment, and here we have to change these music files to albums from main activity, and also these albums, and that's it. Now let's run that, and the app is running. You can see there is no any duplicate album files, there is only one album. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and keep support.